Hope you enjoyed the video.
You are going to love the 2018 MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble-handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, power passenger seat, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Folks, here at Permian Ford, we have a large selection of vehicles. We'd love for you to come out and see us. After your purchase, we give you the first free oil change. We also have tires for life. So we pride ourselves on customer service, so please come to see us.